I love when it's hot.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know now, you know it's Najalee here. So today's video is day 1 of my curly hair series. Now if you didn't know I had a series going on, I posted it on my Instagram, and if you don't have my Instagram, here it is. But yes, I do have a curly hair series going on. Today is my wash day routine and tomorrow is my curly hair routine, because you guys have really been asking me to post this and I have not been ignoring you. I really thought that I was going to postpone it until I hit like a certain mark, but I decided, like, why not satisfy you guys, because you guys are my subscribers and my supporters. So this one is for you. And if you didn't know, I have a giveaway going on my Instagram. So once again, my Instagram is right there, so don't forget to check that out. I don't think you guys want to miss it, but I really think it would be a good idea to hold a product count that I'm going to be using in my giveaway. I do have 2 baskets, if you guys didn't know, and 1 basket is strictly everything that I use in my curly hair routine and my wash day routine. So I'm going to be putting a countdown right there of how many times a product that I do have in my basket shows up in my videos. So be on the lookout for that, because that basket is divine, and so is my other basket, which really nourishes your hair with keratin treatment. So do not forget to go check that out. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Baby, what are you doing? We don't do this right here. Like, I'm gonna give you 1 minute, like 1 minute. Okay, so I am not that patient. I'm not gonna give you a whole minute, because I really think that, hey, you guys are different. Like, you guys need to subscribe to me, like, you know, because you're just cool. But don't forget to like this video and turn on your post notifications, because I will be posting every day this week, and I don't think you want to miss it. Like, I really don't think you want to miss it, because it's gonna be fire. So I know that we are in a different background. This is my shower, and if you think I look ugly right now, like, sorry, but don't come at me in the comments, because baby. And don't forget to comment on this video what you like or what your curly hair routine is, so I know you'll really get some cool boy points, cool girl points, whatever, you know. But stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's go.
So the first thing I'm going to do is simply rinse my hair and give myself a bit of a scalp massage, especially when I have gel in my hair. I like to do this because I feel like it really helps the process, and I don't like all of that gel in my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my BedHead Elasticity shampoo. This shampoo does have sulfates, but because I'm a strong believer in co-washing, I barely shampoo my hair, probably 2 times a month, simply to remove the buildup, which I feel like sulfates really helps me with, because I do have an oily scalp. So that's the reason why I use sulfates sometimes. But this is not me encouraging you to use it in your hair, because it could be damaging to your hair, and you know us curly girls do not like sulfates. But I'm sorry guys, I do use it. I'm so sorry, but it's okay, because it does help my hair actually to remove all the buildup from the products on the top of my scalp. Usually when I'm using shampoo, I like to only focus on the top of my head, but because of my last hairstyle, I had a lot of gel throughout my hair, and so I just wanted to focus on removing it all from my hair. So now I'm going to be going in with my Argan oil of Morocco conditioner, and you guys have probably seen this conditioner everywhere, but I really suggest that you guys get it. It smells so good, and I honestly feel like it locks in the moisture in my hair. And I really suggest when you're applying your conditioner to your hair, really focus on the ends of your hair, because remember, that is the part that everybody sees first. So before detangling my hair, I'm just going to be rinsing out my hair a little bit, not to remove the conditioner, but simply just to get it a little wetter so that it is easier to detangle. And I'm using a wide tooth comb simply because I felt like it just removes my knots so painlessly, and us curly hair girls experience the worst of knots. I don't want to hear from anybody else, we literally do. And that's what I did not like. I did not like the process of it too. But after using a wide tooth comb, I noticed that the breakage in my hair has majorly reduced, and my curls came out looking less frizzy, simply because I wasn't going in with a small tooth comb, which I really think is not beneficial for your hair at all. So if you want the fine curls, wide tooth comb is the way to go.
Disgusting!
Now I'm going to be applying my Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner, which is just so good for strengthening your hair. And deep conditioners are so good to use. They're so beneficial for your curls, which I really suggest that you guys should be using this. But this packet does come with 2 to 3 uses, but me being the person I am, just use the whole packet. And you can get this at Target for $1. They're just so good. And I haven't found the big version yet, but I love these little packets. Now look at those curls. I know you guys see it.
Okay, y'all, so that's the end to today's video. I really hope you liked it. Please give me a big thumbs up so that I know that you like it. And don't forget to leave me a comment, because you know I love reading you guys' comments and I respond to all of them. So I just wanted to remind you that yes, this was a really simple, you know, wash routine. Yours could be different, but just remember that this is honestly like a really important step in your curly hair, because it does set the base for your styling, which is going to come in the next video. So tune in tomorrow to see that video, because I'm going to go into detail on what exactly I do, and this is the one that you guys have really requested from me, so make sure to tune into that. But I really hope that you guys like this video, because I did show my products, and I have been the type of person to like switch products a lot, but these two are perfect combination for me. They smell so good. They leave my hair smelling divine, and I really feel like this is the most effective base for me when I am styling my hair, so I really liked it. But yeah, that brings to a close day 1 of my 5-day curly hair series. Don't forget to check out the rest of the series, which is coming on later this week. And without further ado, we're done.